boys and girls. We're going to play a game of Guess What's in the Cupcake with Peppa and George Pig. Wow, look at this beautiful cupcake, George. It's got purple icing and sprinkles. George, there's something hiding in the cupcake. Can you see? Should we have a look? There's something green. What things are green, George? A tree? I don't think it's a tree, George. A cucumber? It doesn't look like a cucumber either. It looks like it's wearing a green hat. And I think I can see an eye. Should we have a look and see what it is? Okay, we'll have to ruin the icing though, but let's have a look inside. Let's take off the beautiful purple icing and sprinkles. I can see a green hat and 2 eyes and a face. Taking off the icing. And it's got a green body as well. I think I know what it is. Do you know what it is? That's right. It's Jack in the Box. I love Jack in the Box. Boing, boing, boing. Wow, a green cupcake with sprinkles. What's that, George? Oh, yes. There's something sticking out of the icing. What could it be? It's orange. Maybe. It's an orange. No, you're right. It's not shaped like an orange. A pumpkin? But it's not pumpkin shaped either. Boys and girls, I think I know what it is. Do you? It's got an orange beak. Shall we take off the green icing and have a look? We're going to have to find out. Oh, it's got a black beady eye. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. It's a yellow duck. Quack, 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 quack. Did you guess what it was? What a pretty pink cupcake with sprinkles. Yes, George, something purple is sticking out. What could it be? And there's something here too. You think it could be a purple plum? But it's got teeth and eyes. I think you're right, George. Should we find out what's inside? 'Cause it's got teeth and eyes and a tail. Flap, flap, flap. Let's see. Taking off the pink icing. Oh, it's got quite a long neck. And a long purple tail. What is it? It's a purple dinosaur. Did you guess what it was? Thanks for watching, boys and girls, and great guessing work. Bye.
I'm going to show you how to make a Peppa Pig fondant icing cake topper. We're starting with the head in light pink fondant icing. Let it set in the fridge when you're happy with the shape. Now we're making Peppa's dress out of red fondant icing. Flatten it at one end, and when you're happy with the shape, set it in the fridge. Now we're making Peppa's arms out of light pink. And use a shaping tool to flatten at one end. Now we have 5 fingers, but Peppa has 3. So cut those 3 fingers into the hand. We're going to need 2 of these, so make another one exactly the same. Now attach the arms to Peppa's body. Pat them down using the shaping tool. If they don't stick, you can use water just like glue. Now we're making Peppa's tail. Roll out a piece of pink into a long, thin shape. Attach that to the back of Peppa's dress, and let's give her a nice curly tail. Sit Peppa's head on top of the dress. Now we're making Peppa's mouth. We're rolling a thin line of dark pink fondant. Let's cut to shape and stick it to her face. You might need a tool or tweezers to place it properly. Make sure you give her a nice big smile. Now we're making Peppa's cheeks with dark pink fondant. Make 2 balls and press them flat. Stick them to the side of her head like this. Now we're making her eyes, starting with 2 small balls of white. Press them flat in the same process as the cheeks. Add 2 small balls of black to the centre of each white circle. Make 2 larger circles out of dark pink fondant. Sit the eyes on top. And now let's make Peppa's ears out of light pink fondant. Use a shaping tool to flatten them at the bottom. Put Peppa's eyes and ears onto the head. Smooth the edges with a tool to attach the ears. We're nearly there. We're making Peppa's legs out of light pink fondant. Start by making 2 small shapes that are roughly the same size. Use 2 portions of black fondant to make her shoes. Sit the legs and the shoes together. Finally, to finish her off, 2 small dots of dark pink for the nostrils. Add the feet and legs to Peppa when she's sitting down on top of your cake. And there we have it! Doesn't she look amazing? Doesn't that look great?
Daddy Pig and Mummy Pig are putting the finishing touches to Peppa's birthday party before the guests arrive. That appears to be everything. Now all we need are your friends, Peppa. I'm so excited to see everyone. I can't wait for all my friends to arrive. I'm particularly looking forward to some delicious birthday cake. Please make sure you leave some for everyone else, Daddy Pig. That's it, George. Run along and play. Let me go and prepare some drinks for when everyone arrives. The first guest has arrived and look, it's Emily the elephant. Thank you so much for coming. Happy birthday, Peppa. Here you go. I hope you like it. Yay, more people have arrived. It's Susie Sheep and Danny Dog. Happy birthday, Peppa. Thanks for the invite, Peppa. Why don't you grab a drink and take a seat? I wonder who this guest is. It's a very large present they've brought Peppa. That present's so big I can't see who it is. Only me. Candy Cat. Wow, thank you so much for the gift. That's okay. Happy birthday. Everyone's having a really great time at Peppa's birthday party. Look at all my presents! When are you going to open them, Peppa? All in good time. First, how about a fun game of musical chairs? Yeah! Okay, everyone, now we all know the rules. The music will begin in 3, 2, 1. Unlucky, George. Oh no, it's me this time. Bad luck, Danny Dog. Oh no, Daddy Pig has fallen asleep and no one seems to have noticed. Oh well, I have lots of presents. Maybe it would be greedy to win musical chairs too. Good luck, everyone. It's Mummy Pig's turn to miss out this time. Oh, I'm not as quick as you young ones. I don't know who will win though. Oh look, Daddy Pig's still asleep. He's not even getting off his chair. Oh, I thought I might have won. Oh, maybe next time. It's getting close now. I'm really excited to see who wins. Oh well, I tried my best. Wait a minute, Daddy Pig is asleep. He's cheating. Oh, sorry everyone, I must have drifted off. Now, what does every party need? That's right, a birthday cake. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Peppa, happy birthday to you. Remember to blow out the candles, Peppa. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hasn't it been a fantastic party? I've had the best time. Thank you all for coming. Right, who wants some cake? Look, there's just enough cake to go around. Peppa is so lucky to have such great friends and family.